plains where the tall grasses sway, where the sky stretches wide at the start of the day. There's a place that we'll find full of wonders to see. It's Kansas, the sunflower state. Come with me. In Kansas, where the meadowlarks sing, their golden notes rise on a soft prairie wing. The sunflower blooms like a sun's gentle flame, standing tall, calling out the land's name. Let's sing across Kansas where the winds whisper low, through wheat fields like oceans that ripple and flow. From Wichita's towers to rivers that glide, the heart of America where dreams can reside. The Flint Hills roll like a green velvet sea, with bison that wander so wild and so free. To Dodge City stories where cowboys once rode, and trains trace the rails on their westward railroad. Let's sing across Kansas where the winds whisper low, through wheat fields like oceans that ripple and flow. From Wichita's towers to rivers that glide, the heart of America where dreams can reside. Oh, Kansas, where sunflowers reach for the sky, and cottonwoods dance as the breezes drift by. A land full of courage, of skies bright and wide, where roots run as deep as the rivers that guide. Let's sing across Kansas where the winds whisper low, through wheat fields like oceans that ripple and flow. From Wichita's towers to rivers that glide, the heart of America where dreams can reside. So sing for the meadowlarks, sing for the plains, for sunflowers golden and soft summer rains. From mountains of clouds to fields rich and wide, Kansas, oh Kansas, where beauty resides.